Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Asus ROG Ally 2, a device poised to redefine the landscape of handheld gaming. With groundbreaking enhancements in performance, design, and user experience, the ROG Ally 2 is generating significant buzz among tech enthusiasts and gamers alike. The evolution of handheld gaming. The handheld gaming market has witnessed a renaissance, with devices like the Steam Deck and the original ROG Ally pushing boundaries. Now, Asus is set to elevate the experience with the ROG Ally 2, promising unparalleled performance and versatility. Performance. Unleashing the AMD Ryzen Z2. Extreme. At the heart of the ROG Ally 2 lies the formidable AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor. This 8-core, 16-thread CPU, based on the Zen 5 architecture, is complemented by the Radeon 890M iGPU featuring 16 compute units. This combination ensures smooth gameplay across daily titles, offering a desktop-like experience in a portable form. Factor: memory and storage, catering to power users. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to support up to 64 GB of LPDDR5X8533 memory, a significant leap from its predecessor. Storage options are expected to range up to 2 TB NVMe SSDs, providing ample space for extensive game libraries and ensuring quick load times. Battery life. Gaming. Without boundaries, one of the standout features is the anticipated 99-watt battery, a substantial upgrade aimed at extending gaming sessions without frequent recharging. This enhancement addresses previous concerns about battery longevity, making the ROG Ally 2 a reliable companion for on-the-go gaming. Display. Immersive visuals. The device is expected to retain a 7-inch LCD with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring fluid visuals and responsive gameplay. While the bezels remain similar to the original, the display continues to deliver vibrant colors and sharp details, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Ergonomics and design. Comfort meets functionality. Asus has focused on refining the ergonomics of the ROG Ally 2, introducing larger rear grips reminiscent of traditional controllers. This design choice aims to provide a more comfortable and secure hold during extended gaming sessions. The inclusion of dual USB-C ports, including a USB 4.0, enhances connectivity options, allowing for external GPU support and faster data transfer. Software. Integration. Seamless gaming ecosystem running on Windows 11. The ROG Ally 2 offers compatibility with a vast array of PC games and applications. The device is also expected to come bundled with a 3-month Game Pass subscription, providing immediate access to a diverse gaming library. Market positioning. Standing out in a competitive landscape. In a market populated by devices like the Steam Deck OLED and Lenovo Legion Go, the ROG Ally 2 distinguishes itself through its superior hardware specifications and versatile software integration. The combination of high-performance components and thoughtful design choices positions it as a formidable contender in the handheld gaming arena. Release timeline. Anticipation builds. While Asus has not officially announced a release date, insiders speculate that the ROG Ally 2 may debut in late 2025, potentially aligning with major tech events like Computex. The anticipation continues to build as gamers eagerly await official confirmation. Conclusion. A new era for handheld gaming. The Asus ROG Ally 2 represents a significant leap forward in handheld gaming technology. With its powerful processor, expansive memory, enhanced battery life, and ergonomic design, it promises to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. As we await its official release, the ROG Ally 2 stands as a testament to Asus's commitment to innovation and excellence in the gaming industry. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the Asus ROG Ally 2. Stay tuned to technology in the future for the latest updates and insights into the world of technology and gaming.